Today I'm going to start a little project to modify my Badge Parts Model 250 manual button maker to an air-operated button maker. The air-operated kit is available online for about $299, but that kit doesn't include the airline and the fittings necessary, nor does it include a pressure regulator, which I think would be a very nice feature to add. So today we're going to start out with a Model 250, and we're going to try and add an air cylinder and a foot pedal and a regulator to it and make it an air-operated button machine. Now, I bought my Model 250 button maker from Badge Parts Incorporated over in Wisconsin, and I really love doing business with them. They're really nice people. They have really good prices and really good products. I only really have two complaints with Badge Parts, and they're not very serious. One of them is that their website is kind of ancient. You can't buy online or use PayPal. You can look things up, but it doesn't tell you much, so you got to call their telephone number and talk to them, which is nice, but I'd like to see them get their web page updated. The other thing I don't like about Badge Parts is they have only one shipping option. It's UPS, and I've found that there's other options that are a lot cheaper, and the one I like is Speedy Delivery. Now, Speedy Delivery Service is located in St. Cloud, Minnesota, which is almost smack dab in the middle of the state of Minnesota, and they offer delivery service very much like UPS to the 7-state area: North and South Dakota, Iowa, Minnesota, Illinois. 7 states all the way from Illinois to North Dakota. And that service is about half the price of UPS, and it's almost always overnight, and the very longest is the second day. And all one flat fixed price, cheaper than UPS, and the cost of shipping buttons is significant because they weigh a lot. So I really would like to see Badge Parts get on board and check out shipping via Speedy Delivery in St. Cloud. Okay, this is a demonstration of my Model 250 Badge Part button machine that we're going to be modifying a little later, but first I want to show you just how it works. It has a sliding carriage and a manual lever to make your buttons. Start out with, you put a blank button plate in the carriage along with your artwork, and then a Mylar covering. Slide the carriage and press the handle down to put the button artwork on the button part. Then you place the pin back part of the button on the other side of the carriage, slide it over, press the lever again, and voila, you have a pin back button. Well, to start my project, I went on the internet, my old favorite place, eBay, and started looking for some of the equipment I needed. And the first thing I found was a foot valve to run my air cylinder. Of course, I wanted a foot valve for ease in operation. Then I found this nifty little regulator. I thought a regulator would be nice so I could fine-tune the pressure on the cylinder and make the device work smooth. So I ordered this regulator also off of eBay. Now, the next item I picked up was the air cylinder, and I chose a Faribault air pancake type cylinder, a C721XV. This air cylinder has a 3-inch bore and a 1-inch stroke. I had tried a C321 and then a C521, which were smaller cylinders with the same stroke, smaller diameter bore, and they did not have enough power. but the 721 with the 3-inch bore will have enough power to nicely make buttons. And finally, I had to switch over to Amazon.com to locate the nylon plastic tubing I needed to connect all the parts together. And what I found after a little research was that air brake line was exactly what I needed. And what I found was a 1/4-inch nylon air line and a 20-foot roll that came with 2 bags of fittings, which happened to be 1/4-inch air line, 2 1/4-inch MPT thread, and that's exactly what I think I'll need to finish off my project. And the total cost of all these items comes up to about $110. You can see $23 for the foot control, $12 for the regulator and gauge, $25 for the cylinder, and $33, almost $34 for the airline and fittings. And then all the items combined had total shipping charges of about $16. So I'm very happy with my purchases. Here's the machine now with the handle taken off of it. We're getting ready to start building the mounting bracket for the air cylinder. Okay, we're going to demonstrate my finished product now with the air cylinder on my Model 250 button machine. So it's a pretty simple operation. Once you get it working, you take a button form and you put your artwork on it, and you put your Mylar cover over the artwork, and you slide the carriage over, press the foot pedal, and it stamps it. Now you put the pin back button case on, slide the carriage the other way, and stamp the button. And you got a completed button. Start all over again. You can put the pin back in this time. Put your artwork on. Put your Mylar cover on. Make sure they're down in the hole. Slide it over. Stamp it. Slide it back. Stamp it again. And you got another button. Works pretty slick. Hope it works for you. Bye.